Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching video lecture on natural vegetation of India. Before I am going to start this chapter, why you should learn this chapter? Students, do you know in India we have Riksha in ancient time, but today's scenario is totally different from that particular ancient scenario in terms of natural vegetation. Devastation of so many resources and our natural assets has been seen so many years. So we had actually Vrikshved, and we have a common law for the destruction of natural assets and natural vegetation. People had been punished. People were punished for harming any natural vegetation, any natural assets. This time we have law, a stringent law, but we the people can't follow it. Time comes, we have to save our natural vegetation, natural assets. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn natural vegetation and what sorts of natural vegetation found in India, and what is the way to protect, why we should protect our natural vegetation, what is the advantage actually, and what if we don't have natural vegetation, and what is the government initiative in terms of protection of natural vegetation is common question and the common things in this chapter. So first and foremost, what is natural vegetation? Actually, natural vegetations means a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by human for a long time. This is termed as virgin vegetation also. Okay? There are two terminology. One is flora and second is fauna. Flora denotes plants and fauna denotes animal. So in our flora and fauna kingdom, we have so many factors, and you know that flora and fauna having very intimate relationship. Where there is flora, there is fauna. Okay, so let us start some report of current report of forest 2019. Yes, it is good sign for India. We the people India very sincere to protect our natural resources, and in terms of increase in the percentage of forest, we are going to do so many things in coming time, and present time we are doing so. Trees cover comprises of tree patches sizes less than 1 hectare occurring outside the record forest area. The trees cover country estimated as 95,027 square kilometer, which is 2.89% of the geographical area. And the one more good sign, Maharashtra has had the highest increase in tree cover and the largest part of that is due to horticulture. In comparison to 2017, we have forest report for the comparison to 2017. The 2019 survey has found an increase of 5,188 square kilometer in total forest area and the tree cover of the country. The tree and the forest cover together made up 24.56% of India's area. In the last assessment, it was 24.39%, which is very good. Okay, but we have to increase our natural resource cover, natural vegetation 33%. Okay, this is our goal. So you should prepare for it. Mangrove cover in the country has increased by 54 square kilometer. You know that in the delta area we have mangrove trees. Now natural vegetation of India, types of natural vegetation. We have tropical evergreen rainforest, deciduous monsoon type of forest, tropical dry deciduous forest, arid or desert vegetation, tidal or mangrove forest, and mountain forest. So this is the type of forest cover in India. Okay. Now look at this. This is the actual figure of map of natural vegetation in India. This is the part of cold desert part, and this is the alpine subalpine part, and this is the Himalayan moist Shivalik part of Himalaya. We have this is, and below of this we have the green area. You can see this is the tropical moist deciduous forest. This is the evergreen forest. This part, and Western Ghat part, tropical evergreen forest, and we have semi evergreen forest in the green shade. This, this, and the tropical dry deciduous types of forest we have. This is hot deserted forest, that means shrubs part of the. This is thorny vegetation. This is also thorny vegetation part. Okay, so this is actually natural vegetation of India. Now we are going to discuss one by one each and every forest. First one is tropical evergreen forest. In the tropical evergreen forest, we have climate average rainfall above 200 centimeter. You know that vegetation is the index of climate. So in this part we have above 200 centimeter the western Ghat part and the northeast part of Meghalaya and some parts of Assam. This is the evergreen forest. Average temperature 24 to 27 degrees Celsius. It is found hot and humid area of India. Tall and dense, that means 45 to 60 meter tall forest. Hardwood forest it is. It is found in Western Ghat, Andaman Nicobar Island and the eastern India. Sun rays unable to reach Earth's surface in that particular area, and the due to heavy rainfall, this is the actually humid and hot and humid zone of India. Trees complete and rise high to sunlight. And the forest cover major trees, rubber, coconut, ebony, mahogany, palm trees, rosewood, chaplas, and gurjan. Look at this, some sorts of tree, ebony. This is mahogany, mahogany, and this is palm tree. This is rubber wood. Okay, one in Kerala. This is this parts of trees is very important for the purpose of economy in India. Okay, now next, deciduous forest. Average rainfall 100 to 200 centimeter, between 100 to 200 centimeter. Average temperature same 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. Average height 25 to 45 meter. Shed their leaves in summer due to shortage of water. In evergreen forest, never shed their leaves. Trees, okay, trees never shed their leaves, okay, but in deciduous forest, leaves summers due to shortage of water. These deciduous types of forest we have found in Sivalik, Ganga Valley, Western Ghat part, Northeast India. This is economically very important forest, and this sorts of forest, sal, teak, shisham, sandalwood, deodar, mahua, Marobalan, Arjun, Andaman, Paddock, Palash, Dhanak, Amla, and Jamun sorts of trees found in this deciduous forest. This is economically very important because of sandal, Marobalan, sal, teak, shisham, all parts of Palash. This is actually economic wood. Okay, this is the sal tree. Look at this teak tree and shisham, sandalwood, deodar tree. We have now tropical dry forest. Average rainfall 50 to 100 centimeter and average temperature 25 to 27 centigrade. Less dense and a small size of 6 to 9 meter. Roots are thick and long to use underground water. Thick bark to prevent undue evaporation. Found at Punjab, Haryana, MP, Eastern Rajasthan, Central Deccan Plateau. Most part of the area are used for agriculture. Dwarf deciduous tree as long grasses grow in these regions. The main trees in tropical dry forest is neem, shisham, babul, peepal, mangoes. Look at this. This is actual what in your book. This is mountain forest. This part and the some. This is dry temperature grassland in the part of Sivalik area. This is tropical evergreen forest. We have this part and this part missing here. I think this part also having tropical evergreen forest. Okay, but tropical moist deciduous written there, but tropical evergreen forest found in these part. Okay, so and the alpine part types of climate, wet temperature in this part we have, and this is the part of what, tropical deciduous dry forest. Okay, this is also central part. like this, and this part actually shrubs part. Okay, shrubs part. So moving further, arid and desert forest. You look that this is the arid and shrubs forest. This part. So average rainfall less than 20 50 centimeter. Prominent features: small leaves, thick bark, long roots. Indian wild date in common of this wild date common in this desert found at Western Himalaya, southwest of Haryana and Punjab, in some parts of Gujarat also, especially Kutch of Rann part below the Rajasthan. Small size of kikar, babool, acacia, bushes, shrubs found in this sorts of forest. Tidal forest, famous mangroves and sundari trees found in this area consist of thick bushes and fern known as halophyte, tolerant of salinity. That means salt tolerant climatic conditions. These mangrove and sundari trees grows. Found in Sundarban, Andaman Nicobar Island, delta of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. This is sundari tree. Now mountain forest. Mountain forest, as you've seen in this area, this is the mountain forest part. So mountain forest vary considerably along the slope of mountain. Two types of mountain forest in India. One is Himalayan region and second one is Western Ghat region. So we have above 50, 100, 1500 to 3500 meter. We have Himalayan mountain range trees like pine, fir, oak, deodar, spruce, cedar trees, and below this 1500 evergreen types of trees we have sal, teak, bamboo, and cane grows abundantly. Okay, at the high altitude of Himalaya, junipers are found and rhododendrons and junipers are found. This is the oak tree, spruce, pine. This is fir, and this is cedar. Now, in the next part, we are going to discuss forest cover. Till then, thank you so much and see you again.